Hello guys, I have here a MacBook Air 2020 Model A2179. It has a damaged screen and I'll be showing you the process of how it is replaced. So stay with me and let's do this. First of all, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly hit on the subscription button and notification bell so you can always get notified whenever helpful content drops. I power off the MacBook and I close the screen. There are a couple of tools you'll be needing for this solution. A plastic tool just like this or something similar to help with the process. A T3, T4 and T7M Torx bits. A setup to keep your screws intact and in order. I will be making use of this magnetic screw mat to help me keep track of my screws. I turn the MacBook over and I'm ready to begin working on it. There are 10 screws that need to be unscrewed to take off the back cover. The screws at the top part are longer than the rest of the screws. The top rightmost and leftmost screws need a slightly bigger Torx bit. When all the screws have been unscrewed, I place my finger under the cover and I lift gently but firmly to unclip the back cover. I begin by disconnecting the battery connector located here. Using the plastic tool, I peel off the covering tape and I push firmly but gently on the battery connector to disconnect it. Next, I unscrew the Wi-Fi connector covering and I set it aside. I proceed to unscrew the Wi-Fi antenna and I disconnect the Wi-Fi connectors from the board. I unscrew 8 tiny screws in this area using the T4 Torx screw. I unclip this connector from the board. Next, I unscrew 6 screws to release the left and right hinges. There are 3 screws on each hinge. I work on releasing the Wi-Fi antenna and wiggle on it gently but firmly to release it. I open the cover screen at an angle greater than 90 degrees to release the hinges. Next, I get the replacement screen ready for the installation. You can easily purchase one of these screens on Amazon or on eBay. Ensure that this part of the screen is on the top before screwing in the hinges. I go ahead to slide in and screw the hinges back in place. I close the top cover. I replace the Wi-Fi antenna and press it gently and firmly to fit it in place. I replace the main connector and the Wi-Fi connectors. With a T4 screw bit, I fasten the Wi-Fi antenna in place. And the 8 tiny screws that belong in this area. With all this completed, I replace the Wi-Fi connector cover and I reconnect the battery connector. Next, I gently clear some dust with a small brush. And I proceed to replace the back cover. I press gently but firmly to snap the 2 back cover clips in place. Finally, I replace all the back cover screws. When all the screws have been replaced, I connect the power supply and I turn on the MacBook. I proceed to test it out and it appears to be working great. I peel off the screen plastic to reveal a brand new screen. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye for now.